Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you install YouTube on your device. So guys, if you're an Android user, you may already have YouTube, but there are some Android devices where you need to install YouTube, and again on iOS devices, you need to install YouTube on Apple Store. So I'm using an Android device. In Android device, you need to install YouTube from Play Store. So just go to Play Store app. Now in the top search bar, search for YouTube. Here you can see after searching for YouTube, YouTube is shown in front of you. So if you are not installed YouTube yet, you need to install it from here. So guys, that's how you can install YouTube. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.